Hello, this is Heidi from Gaoke. Today I want to introduce our portable scanner to you. You can see here, it's very small but beautiful. You can see we have many colors such as white, green, and also our standard one is black. And nowadays, 5 megapixels is the most popular model in our company. You can see here on the back side, here it's a USB port. You can just connect it with your computer, use a USB cable. And also at the base, you can see a small icon here, just to adjust the brightness of the LED brightness, such as click once and more. You can see the lights are turned on and off. Okay. So after you connect our portable scanner with your computer, then you can just install our visualizer software onto your computer and then just open it. Here you can see. See, after you open our software, you can see you just put one object here under the camera. Then the picture will show on the screen. You can see, because it's 5 megapixels, so it's very clear for you to see it. Maybe at a long distance, also it's very clear. Here. This model is automatically focused, so it's very convenient for users. Okay, you can see here. If you want to take some picture, you can operate like this. Put it here, and then click this one, and also yes. So you can see the picture here is saved onto your computer. After you take the photos, maybe sometimes you just want to do some annotation, such as like this one. Click here to use the pen, such as to draw a circle. If you want to save them, also you can click here to save it into your computer. Here, you can see, just double click, and then you can see. First of all, also, if you want to save it to as other formats such as PDF, click here. You can see it's transformed to PDF format. You can choose the location here. This one, such as we just put it at the desktop. Okay. Here you can add a photo here. You want to maybe to transform it to PDF format. At first you will add a photo here, and then click it. Once it's finished, you can see here, this one, the format you transform into PDF. You can see, now it turns to be a PDF format. Let's just come back to our software. Here also you can see here, you can also to transform it into Excel, Word, and also PPT formats. And also you can to do some maybe rotate the photo, zoom in, zoom out. Maybe sometimes you maybe just to make it brighter. more bright. You can see here, and less bright. Okay. Functions you can click here, such as you can choose the different types of the picture you want to save, such as JPG, BMP, PNG, GIF, so many formats. And also here you can choose the location. If you want to take some pictures and want to save them into your own computer, then you can choose here, such as you can see here. And also, you can also to adjust the resolution, such as this one. There are many types of resolution you can do. Okay. Also, if you want to, maybe sometimes you just want to show different pictures and to do some construction. Sometimes you want to do some comparison between maybe several photos here. You can click here. The first one is this one, and you just put it under the camera. And here you click once, then you can choose to maybe to insert another photo here, such as I choose one. And also here, click it once, then just to open another photo, such as this one. Here, I choose another one. Okay, you can see when I move this one left, right, up and down, you can see the differences. It's very clear and also very convenient for teachers to show something different to the students. Okay. So this is here. If you click twice, then it turns to the full screen mode. And also, if you want to just exist, just click here. You can see it just comes back to the start page of our software. So that's all the main functions I want to introduce for you. So this is our portable scanner. Thank you.